Hey, what's going on? So I got a nice ribeye Delmonico. Since you guys loved my last ribeye steak video, here's another one. So nice and seasoned well, room temperature. Just gonna get a nice sear on it. Oil's hot and ready. And then once you sear both sides, I just got some butter, some dried fresh rosemary. I just dried it a couple days ago. And just want to get that nice good coloration on it. I love ribeyes. And apparently so do you guys. You guys loved that last video. And I want to say thanks to all you guys that subscribed. It means a lot. Alright, so now so you're gonna throw in a tablespoon fresh butter. They're not fresh, I don't know why I said that. So some rosemary. And I got some rosemary butter. And then I wanna start basting. You'd love to see that nice coloration. Comment down below like what you want me to make next, or like how you like your steaks. Anything works. Don't forget to like the video. So now what we're gonna want to do is kind of set it right in that butter and rosemary. And turn the heat up just a little bit. And if you don't have a thermometer, then you just go off by gas or by coloration. I got this Pampered Chef one. It's awesome. All right, so you're just gonna stick it right in the dead middle. I'm going to show you the temp. So, obviously it's still raw. Just want to let it sit. So I just want to say, let's try to hit 1K by the end of July or beginning of August. That would be just amazing. And, well, yeah. I mean, sorry, it's been a little bit since I've posted. I posted that pasta video, but I've been busy. I mean, quarantine's starting to end, so we got a lot to do. So, let's see how steak's doing. So we're hitting 56 internal. So I personally like mine rare to medium rare. So I'll take mine off around 125 to 130. If you like yours straight up medium rare, then you go 135. If you like medium well, then 145, and it just keeps going up until well done. Looking beautiful. Look at that. Gosh, that probe is very hot. So I'm also, me and my mom are also Pampered Chef consultants. So if you want to have a party, like on Facebook or whatnot, you could earn a lot of free stuff from Pampered Chef. Got that nice sear. I want to get a little more brown, but let's see what we're hitting at now. We are hitting 70, 71. Not bad. Reaching temperatures quick. Yeah, so the Pampered Chef parties, I had one and a lot of people have them. And really good way to earn a bunch of free Pampered Chef items. Like that's where I got this thermometer and much more. This pan even. You can get a lot of stuff from it, and if the more orders you get, so you'll invite people to Facebook, the party, and you'll just earn money from their orders or etc. So we're slowly reaching up. Getting awesome. I got this at Heinen's. That's where I usually get all my steaks. Oil top. Thermometer is a great way in cooking perfect steaks. We're at 106. So I like to probe it all around to make sure I have an accurate temp. Jesus. So watch out for that. Got a lot of hot oil. Burns pretty easy. Alright, so we're hitting around 100. One more nice move around, and we're gonna flip again. Beautiful color. And slowly reach it up. Clean up as you go. It's always good. If you don't have a Heinz near you, a lot of meat shops sell just awesome steaks. I like getting the ribeye, boneless Delmonico's. Those are always just turn out phenomenal. That's what I usually get. T-bones are good too. Like T-bones. Everything's pretty good when it comes to beef and stuff like that. And chicken and wow. Phenomenal. It's starting to get a little too brown. So what I like to do is I turn it back down a little bit. I turn it down to less of the temperature. Let's let it sit. If it's way too hot, you can just move it. Or let it just stop here, that bubbling. Like mine's got too hot. Even at a low temperature, when it's just sitting there for a while, it's gonna reach a very high temperature. And you don't want to burn the steak, but you do want to get a good like crust on it. And I have a thick steak, so I'm gonna have to cook it a little slower than you would with most. I don't know if you can see my little dog in the way background. Some little support. Alright, probe it again. 113, 120. Alright, I think we're about done. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna let it dress just yet. I'm gonna let it sit here, put it back on the heat in 1 sec. You'll see it. So I'll put it on the other burner. It's less hot. Just let it go slow. And let's just reach up to the medium rare temperature. There you go. Perfect steak. And it doesn't take long for steaks. I mean, more thicker steaks are gonna take longer. Alright. Can't wait to see what this looks like. So I'm just gonna take that lid off. Just let it sit. Let's let it just rest. Oops. For around a couple minutes. You don't have to let it rest, but it kind of absorbs all the juices. So I'm gonna turn that off heat. Alright. Just for time's sake. It's perfect rare steak. I like mine rare. But like I said, as it rests, the inside is gonna keep cooking and cooking and cooking. So I'm gonna let it rest around 10 minutes and it should turn out more, obviously not as pink. I cut it open way too early. Sorry about that. But yeah, like I said, it's just gonna keep cooking. And yeah, that's once it hits internal temp around 100 or 115 or something like that, I'm pretty sure it's safe to eat for sure. And yeah, like this side, like that even looks better. Like it's starting to get better. So, well, I'll see you next time. And I'm waiting for it's raw in the comments. No, it's not raw. It's medium rare, or it will be. And well, I'll see you next time. Let me know what I should cook next. See ya.